Hello fam, hello everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Guys, today we're gonna dive into the heart of every home, the kitchen. So let's go guys, let's go and do some window shopping. This is my favorite shop. I'm gonna show you in a minute. So here is where I go for my window shopping, or if I want to buy something for my kitchen, this is where I go. And the name of the shop is called Home Sense. Although we have a lot of shops around here for furnitures, especially beds, tables, sofas, and things like that. So we're gonna go in. It's Christmas season, so there's a lot of Christmas stuff. But I'm gonna go straight to the kitchenware, which is upstairs. We're gonna take a lift. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So I don't know if HomeSense is all over UK, but I'm glad that we have it, and it's very close to my house actually. So here we are. So this is a section for furnitures. They do a little bit of furnitures, and we're gonna start straight away on the chopping boards. So we have these wooden chopping boards. They are very nice. You can either use it for decoration or for chopping or things like that. So I have mine. I usually use it for chapati making and also for display when I do my cooking. And we have some pans. We have this beautiful nice frying pan, and it's very good to use non-stick pan, which can handle varieties of cooking without the struggle of the food to stick underneath on the bottom of the frying pan. Yeah, so I think it's about time I need to change my frying pans. I need to change them. So here I'm just doing my window shopping. I like to do window shopping before I buy, so as I know if I'm getting the right thing and with good price. Yeah, I can't wait for Whitey, for YouTube to pay me so I can buy new pans and pots. This one is for grill. You can use this one for grilling like meat or something like that. So we have like those frying pans which are very deep, and some of them they're just like they're just flat, like shallow. Yeah, so here we have frying pans, different brand, different look. Nice, nice, nice. So we have small size for pancakes. So here we have pot section. As you can see, this one is nice and heavy. Guys, I'm doing a voice over because there is a lot of music in the shop, so I didn't want to get any copyrights. Yeah, so come with me guys. We have this baking dishes. This is nice for pies and things like that. Yeah, we're just doing window shopping guys, window shopping. Who likes window shopping? Just leave a comment below. So this section is for small gadgets, kitchen gadgets like openers. So that can be a tin opener, bottle opener. So it's nice because you can use it for multitask. We have measuring spoons. This one is for garlic grater. This one is for meat tender, for tendering meat. Tea infusion for teas. Yeah, so we have tongs. This one is for flipping or picking stuff, hot stuff in a pan. So there's a variety of things really. They are very handy in the shop. If you love coffee or hot chocolate, they have different flavors of syrups. for coffee or hot chocolate really. So here we have baking bowls for cakes, anything you want to mix, salad, anything, fruit salad and normal salad, baking trays for cakes, any type of cakes, cupcakes, any type really. So as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in this shop, which is it's good because you can get your stuff in one place, you don't have to go around. Yeah, it's just window shopping, guys. We're gonna just do some window shopping. I quite like doing window shopping so as I don't overspend, go over the budget. So we have some blenders, salt shakers, that's a big one. We have some graters and zesters for zesting lime or lemon, juicer, all these things, beautiful stuff. I love kitchen stuff. That's my addiction. Really, if I have money, my first addiction is kitchenware. I love it. These pots are so nice. They are very heavy. I think they are cast iron, something like that they call them cast iron pots. I quite like this. I don't know, and it's in a reduced price. I might get it. So guys, I'm just showing you around some kitchenware. If you love kitchen stuff, you will enjoy this video, I think. Yeah, they are not very expensive. Most of the stuff here, they're reduced. You can see the red label, that means they've reduced them. Yeah, so you have the garlic masher, strainers, a lot of things, measuring cups, measuring spoons, ice maker, ice mold, something like that. They mold ice, spatulas, tongs, graters, all these, they are very useful in the kitchen, very useful. Spatula, they're very useful for scraping every last bit from the bowl, if let's say if you're baking or something like that. And we have these small gadgets for chopping, juicers, salad strainer for straining salad, all these things, beautiful stuff. Yeah, I was just looking for the chopping boards, aprons, so a lot of things are my favorite here. Pots, pans, knives. We have those tea towels. You can comment below what's your favorite kitchenware. What's your favorite? Like, what do you like most, or what do you like buying most for your kitchen? We have some beans, especially normal beans for normal stuff, and food compost. Yeah, at the moment in England, we were asked to separate food and normal waste. I think they use it for compost, something like that, I'm not sure. Yeah, so here we have a bread container for storing bread so it won't go off quick. Sugar, coffee, tea jars or storage. All this beautiful, beautiful stuff. Imagine. So cute. So we are in the knife section. They have to be locked because of age restrictions and safety, health and safety. Yeah. Rolling pins. We have carrot peelers or potato peelers, scissors. I love scissors. Scissors is very important in the kitchen for cleaning fish. Like I said, guys, I went for the small serving bowls. So this is it. It was reduced £6 and another one was like £5. It's very good for serving food or salad. So this is what I've got. I went there for window shopping, but see what happened. This happened. Imagine. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. Road to 10K, road to success. And comment below what's your favorite item or kitchenware for your kitchen. Thank you so much. Until then, guys, bye.